everybody is talking about BEO3, BEO3, which is Google's new animation video generation, I should say, addition that they recently made, right? Okay. And I haven't played in that yet. I'll be going to play in that as well. However, I just came across something fantabulous that is in Canva. And whenever I can use an integrated tool, I'm going to use that because I'm already paying for Canva. So if you're already paying for Canva, this and you want to create videos, this is for you. So uh, Canva released its AI video feature. And so you can create videos within the Canva platform. And it's using the VEO, or I should say, it's powered by Google's VEO3. So we're going to explore that today. Little bit about it. How much does it cost and how many videos can you do? Well, right now it's June 19th. It's Juneteenth, y'all. And you can create up to 5 AI video generations per month per user. So you really need to be careful about what you do and how you use it because you're very limited. Now, I'm guaranteeing you that that will eventually they're going to do better with when it comes to that. But that is on the paid plan. So for the free plan, the AI video generation feature is not available. You'll need to upgrade to one of the paid plans, and it doesn't matter which plan you're on, whether you're on the Pro, the Teams, the Enterprise, you have an initial limit of 5 AI video generations per month per user. And then Canva nonprofit users, similar to paid plans, you have the initial limit of 5 AI videos generations per month. Like I said, free plan, well, you got to upgrade. All right. So let me show you what I have done so far with Canva because I did play with it. And this is the video that I was able to create here with a simple prompt. And it said it may take up to 2 minutes there. So hang tight. As you can see, it's talking to me when I put in the prompt. And it didn't even take that long. I don't even think it took in 60 seconds. But I'm sure I did it early in the morning as users are on. It may slow down or I don't know what, these things go. And so, anyway, this was my prompt: an African American woman in her 30s with a natural puff, walking confidently or confidently walking through the modern urban office building with sunlight through windows, wearing a bold blazer, blah, 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 right? And the camera zooms in as she walks. So, this is what was created. Now I'm going to show you how to get there. I want to try a different prompt because it also, I saw that you can use the Hey Gen feature, and it doesn't look like you have to do anything different to get your videos to talk. So we're going to try that. So how do I even access this? Well, it's in Canva AI. So either you're going to click from the home page. So I'm on the home page of Canva, and either I'm going to tap on the Canva AI icon here, or I'm going to go to Canva AI icon on the left-hand side of the page. It doesn't matter which one you select. So we are becoming very familiar with this Canva AI screen, right? Because you've been playing with it, or if you haven't, you will now. But we are going to select the create a video clip. And as you can see, it has the crown, which means it's a paid feature, okay? So now it says, describe your idea and I'll bring it to life. So you can select different things. You can select the styles that you want, right? And if you created any videos or any graphics, you should be sort of familiar with at least seeing these things, right? So these are the styles. The aspect ratio of a video is, right now it's 16.9, but coming soon is the 9:16. So that's going to allow you to do like your Instagram. Okay. Then you've got the duration of the video. Right now it's 8 seconds and customs coming soon. Framing, you've got wide shot, medium shot, close-up shot, blah, 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 blah. However, whatever shots you would like to do. And then you have your lightings. So what kind of lightings do you want? It gives you examples and pictures. I love that it gives you pictures of what you're going to use. Now, I already have a prompt prepared. And so I'm not even going to choose any of those options. I just want to see what happens when I do this. So I'm going to copy this prompt and paste it. So this is a clean, modern financial office with branding logo on the glass door. What I have learned from watching other videos and other people is that it doesn't do the captions very well. It doesn't do wording well. Now we know that AI has a problem when it comes to words. And so ChatGPT has gotten better with that, but others just are simply not there. And this Google's VEO3 is they haven't improved on that. So what we're gonna do, what I was going to do, don't do what I just did. I was going to press or type in no captions, but I hit enter, which actually enters it. And so that didn't work. I should have pressed shift enter so it can go to the next line. But anyway, so here we are. It is creating the video. You see it says hang on, hang tight while I work on your video. This may take up to 2 minutes. I'll let you know when it is ready. And then it's got some cute verbiage that's saying here, how to dance, we're going to teaching Pixels how to dance. So that's real cute while you wait. And then you can see the bar as it is going across and how far along in the generation it is. So we are working this out together. You can, and so we're going to see what happens and how this comes out together. And I'm not going to make you hang on. I'm going to fast forward to the end when the video is created. All right, so the video is finished. Now, one of the things that I did not do was, did I do it? I thought I did. Yeah, it does say African American woman, but I didn't say who was at the desk. So those are African Americans. So as you can see, you need to be really specific. I don't know what that thing is behind it. I guess that's maybe I should have described the office a little bit better. So you can see you really need to be descriptive. And then let's see what it did with the sound. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this up and let's play it.
Welcome to Metro EZ Financial Solution, where tax prep is simple, strategic, and stress-free. How can I help?
There you go. So this
Welcome
is what
to
I did.
Metro EZ Financial Solution, where tax prep is simple, strategic, and stress-free. How can I help? Welcome to Metro EZ.
Oh, all right. So as you can see, when I opened it up, now I have the prompt on this side, and I have it's when it was telling me that it was actually generating the video, and then this is the video. So now when you're in this chain, you can make changes to the video. So you can ask it to change up the video. Now, I'm not really clear is if you ask it to change up the video, if it is using your 5 credits. I'm not too sure, so I'm not going to do that. This is my second video, and so I do not want to, necessarily play with this because I only get 5. And so I really wanted to show you how that this was available in Canva. Now I have another prompt I wanted to do. Now this was something I was creating for someone. And I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to go back into my little notes here because I'm going to tweak it. I'm gonna tweak this here, so I don't need to do that. I wonder if it could do a split screen. So this is what I'm gonna do. Split screen on the left, African American woman in scrubs smiling after work. In the center, we have a Black man with locks working on a laptop with the coffee at a cafe. He's an entrepreneur. On the right, we have a Black couple in the home with documents and a calculator. And there are soft transitions between scene and let's see here. I'm just going to say a voice says, let me say I'm going to say this, a African American female voice says, because I want to see what it's able to do. And we'll see, right? We'll see together. Quotations. Uh-oh, I already had those. Now, what I didn't like that it did is that it did it in the last one. It actually ended up doing. I'm gonna play it again, but without the sound. So it actually ended up doing the at the bottom here, and you see you've got some spelling errors here. That's what I mean by it's not doing that correctly. So now you'll have to go in and, make changes to this video, edit it so that you can either take this out and then it didn't give you an option for the voice either. And so I want to see what it will do with this new prompt for the voice. So let me see here. Split screen, left, African American, okay, and African American female voice says whether you are W-2, okay. So now everybody's Black in this scene, right? And I'm going to copy this and I am going to open a new session. I don't want to do it within this session. So I'm going to go to a new session, video clip. I'm in AI already because that's the last thing I had selected. And now I'm creating a video clip and I am going to describe my idea. So let's see what happens with my idea. I do know with VEO3, you do have to be very descriptive. And I am going to come up with a GPT for Google's VEO3, and then you'll be able to use the same thing for Canva AI. So I think what I'm going to do is save my last two generations because this is my third, and I'll be coming back with the video probably tomorrow on using that GPT that I'm creating and showing you how that is used. All right, so this one took a little bit longer, but listen, it did what I asked, right? So I said African American. Let me leave that up and just do the prompt here. Split screen. So yes, split screen was achieved. And on the left is an African American woman who's in her scrubs, smiling. She's after work. We've got the center one, which is a Black man with locks. He's even got the locks there. He's clearly an entrepreneur. And then we have the couple on the right working on some documents for their family biz there. Let's play it and see what it's saying here. So let me click on this and then let's click on the video.
Whether you're a W-2 worker, self-employed hustler, or running a full-blown business, we've got your back. Whether you're a W-2 worker, self-employed hustler, or running a full-blown business, we've got your back.
All right. So as you saw the verbiage in the, I don't like this end screen here, so we definitely have to cut that out. And then also I did not put, okay, I needed somebody to remind me, no captions, right? So no, or let's say here, please do not add any captions because it just doesn't do the words well. So I'm going to use this video in the commercial that I'm putting together. But I will not. I'll have to like finagle that in order for that to work. So I just wanted to show you Canva AI has VEO3. You can go ahead and begin to use this for your business. Be very specific with your generations, with your verbiage there, so that you get exactly what you want. Where it seems like other things are able to kind of think through and put things together, these videos are not doing that. They are doing exactly what you asked for, and if it's not exact, then it is going to use what's in its default. So if you want Spanish, you're gonna have to put that. If you want Black, you're gonna have to put that. You don't have to put if you're white though. You don't have to put that because that is the default system. So that's there. So you will always have to be descriptive as you would for anything else when you're doing other skin tones or doing other cultures. So other than that, hey, I'll see you. We'll meet again on the next video and we'll talk more about VEO3 or Canva. I'm not too sure, but we'll see you then. Until we meet again, be blessed, be fruitful, and multiply.